Hello lovelies, and welcome back to Uzzielle TV. I hope you guys are doing great. So a lot of you had questions on how I apply the DIY super hair growth formula I posted the other day on my channel, and so I figured it was time to do an update of that video and show you how I apply and how I massage my hair with the tool I just showed you on screen, and how I put it back in my protective style. So I have my hair unraveled. Yes, it's not advisable to have it this way because that way it begins to tangle, and so I figured since I have left it out, I might as well just show you what I do on bi-weekly basis to keep my hair intact and also growing. So here I just have a loose twist. I twisted my hair and I unraveled it and had it out, and so I still have the parting from the twist, and so I'm trying so hard to still maintain those partings so that I would be able to apply the mixture on my scalp. So it will be a little bit difficult to really penetrate everywhere in the scalp because of the volume of my hair. Also bear in mind that this takes time and patience, and so you want to take your time and apply this product on your scalp, and also don't forget to be intentional when doing so. I was lucky to have my daughter sleeping at the time of making this video and also applying on my hair, so it gave me a little bit of time to take care of myself, be gentle on my scalp, and also be intentional. Now, this is another very important step in my routine. I like to do this for a minimum of 10 minutes, and if you should incorporate this into your own routine, I advise you do it for a minimum of 10 minutes. In fact, when you apply this mixture on your scalp, no one is going to tell you to massage your scalp because it's going to be so itchy, and that's a good sign because you get to know that the product is working, it's doing what it's supposed to do. It stimulates new growth. Okay, so you need to take your time and massage your scalp, and it's for me it was just so fun and itchy. Trust me, you would almost get carried away with massaging your hair for long because you would so enjoy it. But again, my advice is that you massage your hair for not more than for a minimum of 10 minutes, and also be gentle whilst doing the massage because you could get carried away and hurt your scalp, which is not good. And so, which is why I love to use this tool here. I'm going to link it down in the description box so that you get it if you want to get exactly what I got, which helps me massage my scalp and stimulates new growth. This next step is very important as well because what I'm doing here is moisturizing my hair, but paying close attention to the ends of my hair, to the tip of my hair, because it's easy to have breakage or split ends, and so I pay so much attention to the ends of my hair. That way I'm retaining length. So I feel the most important thing is not necessarily about length or volume, but about the health of the hair, which is why I do these things even though I'm still shedding hair from postpartum hair loss. So it's important that you pay close attention to the tips of your hair as much as you're paying attention to the scalp. So I'm done twisting my hair. I have my steamer. So this is the last step in my routine. All I'm doing here is just sealing everything that I've applied on my hair with a steam. This steam is the same as the one I use on my clothes. I do not have the cap that I see a lot of people use, but I mean it's the same thing, so feel free to use whatever you have on ground. You can also just use the shower cap and place a hot towel on top of it to give you that steam.
Something in my mind, makes me think,